Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to activate, use and deactivate developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick Settings. Here you should go to the About Phone, which is the very last tab, and then click on Software Information right here. Now you will notice build number, so hit this tab 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and as you can see, developer mode has been turned on. So let me go back. And now a bit lower, you can notice developer options. Here they appeared. So smoothly tap on it to activate all the options. And now you can come along with all those pretty advanced and very useful features and options and modes. You can smoothly perform each operation, just come along with them and decide which you would like to perform, then do it. And whenever you would like to switch off developer options, if you would like to deactivate them, smoothly tap on this switcher. And as you can see, they are no longer active, and what is more, if you will go back, they disappeared from here. So anytime you would like to activate them again, you will have to perform this trick one more time. So that would be all. So you can activate, use and deactivate developer options in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.